Hello, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial is going to be on how you could create this holiday card in Photoshop. So at the end of this tutorial, you're going to be learning how you could create this effect. So let's go over to a new document and let's see how we could do this. So our first step is give it a background color of your choice. I got a layer 0 over here. And I'm just gonna color it red in this case. Click OK, and now I'm gonna hit the Alt backspace key to color it the same color as my foreground color set over here. Our next step is we're gonna create a new layer, and we're gonna create what you saw on the previous screen, which was a slit right here where you could use to insert your image like it was an envelope. So let's use the elliptical marquee tool, and we're gonna draw a slit basically like that. Now we want to fill this area with black, so we're gonna change this to black. So a shortcut key would be the letter D as in David on a PC, and now we're gonna hit Alt backspace on a PC to fill that with the color black. Now we want to deselect this selection by hitting Control D. And now we want to give this a blur effect. So we're going to come up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and you could set it to whatever you want. So let's just bring this back down. This looks good. Click OK. And now what we want to do is we want to create a selection layer. So we're going to select the bottom layer. We're going to use the rectangular marquee tool, and we're going to draw a selection through this middle of this slit that we just created. And now what you want to do is we want to transfer this selection to a new layer. So we do that by hitting Control J on a PC. And as you can see, it created a new layer just with that selection. So if I turn off these other layers, you could see that. So let's turn these layers back on. Now we want to move this layer above the other layer. So now, as you can see, it created like this little slit, like it was an envelope flap. So now we could go to the middle layer again. Let's just turn down the opacity just a bit. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to bring in our image. So it could be a gift card, it could be a dollar bill, whatever that you want to do. So in this case, I'm just going to bring in a $100 bill. So I'm going to drag that and drop it right on top of this layer here. And now I'm going to, it's already in a free transform mode. So I'm going to press Shift Alt and click and drag. Let's rotate it. Now let's press Enter to accept those changes. Now all we have to do is just put a message over here. So I'm going to add a text layer. Let's make sure it's on the top of the layer. Select the horizontal type tool. I already got my font selected, my size. press enter or click that check mark up in the options bar. Let's move it now. And there you have it. And that's how you can create a holiday greeting card for whatever ideas that you want. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And also like, share, and comment on our videos here in our community because it helps everybody out. So hopefully you had you learned something new today, and stop by often because I upload multiple videos per week. So you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.